Excuse me. Get a drone for good measure.
Yeah, like they're gonna do anything.
Like they're gonna do anything. Let's see what they do when they spray with peppermint.
Smells good. That gets them going.
Wow. Okay.
Keep a hold of that and don't drop it in. You probably want to hold on to that.
What?
Or, yeah, there you go. It's like, don't let it drop inside. I obviously got the easy one.
Yeah, this one doesn't work. Whoa, that is still pretty heavy.
Yeah.
I am going to goodness. This one doesn't want to come out. You got the easy one.
Apparently I did. There she goes.
Okay, off you go. Off you go. Wow.
Marshmallow time.
Marshmallow time.
Do you want help? So you can. Do you want me to hold it so you can? I'd grab.
No, I can get it. I can get it.
Okay, just don't accidentally let her out. Might put your thumb over it when you're. You can kind of see where she's at.
Yeah, these are unmarked. She's unmarked. Okay, where are you going? Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Smush them all out in there. High fructose corn syrup for our queen.
The only high fructose corn syrup she's gonna get.
Okay, kids. Can you grab the rebrush for me, Jake, so I don't squish them? Thank you.
I wanna. Oh, you got that. Yeah. Put the patty on there. Okay.
Some syrup.
Other way around. There we go. Big bar in the front. Oh, daddy's little guy in the camera. Oh, look, he's blocking. He just walked over the lens. That was kind of cool.
You're not stuck, are you? Okay, no, you're not.
Needs to go towards the front a little bit more. There you go.
It's funny because if they fly at your face, it's ingrained for you lighter colored. I think we got 2 Italians.
There she blows. There's the Jen, the brand new beekeeper. You see, these guys are flying around a bit more. They're like, how do we get in our new house? Where's the door? This kind definitely, this box, there's more flyers. The other guys are just a bit more calmer. What do you gotta say, Jen?
I was watching this guy. He's going after the marshmallows that are in my pocket.
Can't blame him.
See you.
Alright, well, let's leave these guys alone.